What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol NLST for Netlist. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, because we have not yet covered this one on the channel, we're going to come in and give ourselves a daily roadmap, just mapping out obvious areas of support and resistance. Then we'll talk more nuance when we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame. So sort of splitting the differences there between these most recent upper wicks as well as this previous point of contention. What else are we seeing? Kind of this chop zone. So quite a few overhead levels here. I think the most notable thing from the daily would actually be if we take out the resistance trendline tool, come in like this, what you'll notice is we have broken the downtrend resistance. So technically you would call this a breakout, right? So taking a look at the 30-minute intraday time frame to see, what else we can learn about the price action here. Clearly a nice period of consolidation into the end of the day, right? If I take out the fibs and come in from the low of this morning here up to the high, what you'll notice is that we did hold on to that 38.2 at $6.03. So I'm going to go ahead and remove, actually, let me draw this in first. We're going to go ahead and put that on, then remove the Fibonacci's just to clean up the chart a bit and talk about some scenarios here. So as long as we can consolidate in this range here, fine. You're looking for the breakout to continue. Again, that's the breakout of the resistance trend line here and get us into that next overhead target at $6.81 and the daily 50 SMA. That's the blue line here on the chart. So from there, I would reassess, see if the momentum is still strong, and if we can make it to that next target, it would really be, I would argue for round number sake, just $7.50 to the upside. And on something trading sub 10, that's a significant range to be taking advantage of here. So it's not like this trade is for nothing, right? I do think that that would be a good trade here. The one concern that I do have with something like this is simply the volume down below. I mean, it's really not that big, especially here. But if we look at what it was doing in the past, when it was on this major tear to the upside, if we can see volume like that come back to the stock, then by all means, I'd be looking for this thing to get into that 750 and maybe potentially after that into the 850, right? Somewhere in here. But it would really require a lot of momentum, a lot of new eyeballs hitting the stock, therefore more volume. So keep an eye on volume. If it does increase, again, increase your upside targets. But if it remains steady and kind of muted here, manage your expectations a bit, keep them more realistic and really look for this. And then maybe this, right? If we do see that move higher there. So those are my thoughts here inside of NLST to the downside. If we take out 603, I would really be patient and wait to see what happens if we get the back test of the breakout point from in here at 532. So be on the lookout for hammers, indecision dojis that print, anything of that nature that would make you question, is this just a back test? Can we flip long over the highs and get back into that 610 area of resistance, this breakout point, this next breakout point here from the 30-minute intraday perspective? Underneath 532, not interested, as this essentially is going to act as a flush point. If retested, I would imagine it breaks and takes us lower into the daily 200 SMA. So those are my thoughts here on NLST. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, definitely let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.